Dr. Mukul sangma ulapan pau ba kadaw ba kongsan jogi khadat ngut kemelie jong ka Congress ki bala penyeso sa ka All India Trinamool Congress AITC kadai halo ka nongrim ba ka next seng kadon ka ïapher ba bat ka National People Party lembat kiwei de ki seng san perthai ya kani Mukul ulapan pau ha ba jubab ka jingkli ka bala bu da ka kanhun uslong me ba kumnu an ïapher ya ka AITC na kiwei ki seng ha ba phinlej shopai ba ban penchai ha ba kran Dr. Mukul ulo ya menta on ampala ba yinu jo de ka Trinamool Congress bat ke NPP lembat kiwei de ki seng san perthai ki budan ka bala penlong ya ka kanhun belami no Congress ban penyeso sa ka Trinamool Congress.
You're smart in analyzing. You know it, you interpret, you create stories. You're authors of many stories. I would only supplement. Okay, I would only supplement. Now, you cannot compare All India Trinamool Congress with NPP. You have to look at what we have referred to as the shared agenda, shared objective. The whole objective, the whole ideology that this political party is associated with, affiliated with, is completely different from NPP and other political parties. It's simple. They are fighting against those who nurture an ideology which is not, I must say, compatible to our nation with diverse background of people, and it's not compatible to the kind of socio-political spectrum that this nation has. And therefore, I think we have a very clear understanding as to why we align ourselves and march with All India Trinamool. We need to look at how we can best utilize our God-gifted potentialities and be honest to our responsibilities towards our people, towards our state, towards our nation. And with this exercise, we found our space, a platform, and we decided to march with All India Trinamool Congress. And I would like to assure all our friends, the people of the state, people of the region, and the nation as a whole. This whole coming together has a larger objective of really finding a viable, strong, acceptable pan-India platform to be provided by a political party, by all the like-minded people who share the same objective and commitment to come together and collectively try our best. We haven't yet tried our best. I think it is time that we should try our best. We have engaged with our leadership in Delhi, so within the confines of the four walls of the party, which I will not share with you. The intention has been always directed towards our responsibility, larger responsibility, to fulfill our purpose as political party. And wherever we are, whether we are in government or whether we are in opposition, we must effectively utilize that space given by people. If people have given us mandate to be in opposition, we must do justice to that space that we occupy. And if we don't do justice, then we are failing our people, we are failing our nation. So please don't reduce this whole larger intent of this team, where, you look at our team, you know each one of us, you know each one of our intention. We have demonstrated our intent and commitment in course of our in course of our addressing concerns of the people all through the years. We are known people. We are not unknown people. So please do not reduce this whole intent that has brought us together to take this consciousness. Our job is to reach out to the people. We have every reason to believe that we'll be able to get the trust and confidence of the people, because people of the state of Meghalaya, and we are going beyond the boundaries of the state of Meghalaya. Our responsibility is to look at what happens in Delhi does affect our nation. Okay. What is decided upon by Government of India also affects us, doesn't it affect? Therefore, I say that everybody has to be directly or indirectly connected with political parties. If somebody is saying that, oh, I'm not bothered, well, he's not bothered, but you are in the same ship. We are in the same boat. If the boat sinks, you sink.
Nakaliang jong ba Charles Pongrup ulapan pau ba shwa ban sim ya kan nikarai kaladon ke jia tai bat ke jinga thir ke blas lembha namar ba kidon kam ban pet na baro kiliang na banta ke jingba bat kumju ru na banta ke jingyo jingmunto jingpai ba chong ke jalahi baro kwei.
We have decided to merge with another political entity which has come up in the last elections with a resounding victory over the BJP in West Bengal. Now, as leaders, we are expected to do something for our people, to live up to their hopes and aspirations, to live up to their expectations, and to deliver to them the relevant requirements which are expected by each one and everyone. We have tried that as a very, very strong opposition, as you have seen in the last 3.5 years, and we will continue to do so. But like what has been said by Dr. Mukul, we need a space to be created wherein our potential to work as leaders can be utilized to the optimum. I must share with you also the recent developments that took place, where I had the opportunity to meet with Mr. Prashant Kishore, who is the leader of the ïapher team, the Indian Political Action Committee, wherein his views and ideas and his vision to take the country forward, to fight against the divisive forces and communal forces, matched almost totally with what we also had in mind. Therefore, we decided that since we are on the same path, it would be in the best interest of the people to join hands. Join hands for a better cause. To remove the ambiguities that are happening in our country today, in our state, where each and every one of us will get the space to live within the parameters of the Constitution and our fundamental rights. I personally feel that my discussion with him was so fruitful that we can now create a platform to expand it, not only in Meghalaya, but in other parts of the northeast and the country as a whole, to take on the NDA government in the next elections. The space where a void has been created by the ineffectiveness of the Indian National Congress. Now, when we go to another party and merge with them, what do we expect? We expect a team, a leadership that will guide each one of us, and we will be guided by our own capabilities also to achieve that goal. Therefore, we have now merged with the All India Tribunal Congress, and we hope that this merger, we not only hope, we know that this merger will bring a brighter prospect for the entire region, for our state, and for the entire country as a whole.